Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful shell stitch. This is the one of easiest stitch for beginners and it is create a lovely lacy textures that perfect for blankets. I'm using rainbow cotton yarn and 3mm hook. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. First we are going to make our foundation chain. This is our slip knot. The shell stitch work in multiples of 6 chain plus 3 chain. This is my first one. So you have to make multiples of 6 chain plus 3. And I'll show you how it looks like. I'm going to skip 2 chain from the hook into the third one. I'm going to make 1 single crochet. Skip 2 chain, 1, 2 into the third one. I'm going to make 1 single crochet. I'm going to skip 2 chain into the third one. I'm going to make 5 double crochet into the same stitch. If you don't know how to crochet, I mean single crochet or double crochet, I'll leave a tutorial in my description box. You can have a look. So this is my third one. Four. And 5. This is the one pair of shell stitch. I'm going to skip 2 chain, 1, 2 into the third one. I'm going to make 1 single crochet. Again, skip 2 chain. Into the third one, we're going to make 5 double crochet. So this is the pattern. So repeat this pattern across all the way end. Chain 1 and turn. So in the corner we're going to make 3 double crochet, which means we're going to do half shell. In both sides we're going half shell, which is 3 double crochet into the same stitch. I'm going to skip 2 chain, 1, 2, and third one is top of the shell. This one right here, I'm going to make 1 single crochet into the third stitch. And again I'm going to skip 2 chain, and the space right here I'm going to make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the top of the first shell from the row below, we're going to make single crochet. Skip 2 chain and 1 single crochet in the top of the shell. Skip 2 and we're going to make 5 double crochet in between that space. So you'll see your stitches forming directly above the shells, creating that beautiful pattern. Keep repeating until you reach the end of the row. From here, you'll just keep the same pattern all the way up until your project is the size that you want. So when you reach the length you want, cut your yarn and pull it through and secure it. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet tutorial. You can also follow me on social media for more patterns and updates, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and join my WhatsApp group for crochet lovers. I'll also share the written pattern and more crochet idea on my blog. Don't forget to check that out as well. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!